in on Tommy.
Oh yeah.
She like lays into his mane when she goes over the jump.
Because
The really
he's
high
like
ones, yeah.
he's like this.
He's like this practically, so she's got to lay into where she'll fall off the back.
I just
yeah.
noticed how she lays
Take
into
a good
his
shot. Where you
mane
gonna go?
on those jumps.
Fun.
All right,
Ooh,
babe.
look at him go.
Beautiful.
He wanted to do the blue one. She's going, no.
I think that she's trying for it.
Really?
Mhm.
Oh, God.
He just missed the turn.
Oh, awesome. That's awesome. Tight turn and the big one. Oh, that's
And a
awesome.
trip and a double over there.
That's awesome.
He's going fast.
Beautiful.
Holy smokes.
Holy smokes.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Was that
awesome.
fun, Megan?